Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Arnav More. So today I'm going to be doing a sound test with this speaker I unboxed. This boAt Aavante 490 speaker.
Bluetooth mode.
Oh. Alright. Oops. Sorry for the message, that low battery message. Anyways, oh yes, we found the Bluetooth device. Okay. Where? Here we heard the connecting sound. Now time to do a sound test. And wait, and the best part is, if you press the volume up and down buttons of the speaker, it can control the phone's volume. Oh my god, look how good this sound is! Yeah. Alright. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe and press the bell icon. Bye.